Hi everyone, good afternoon. This is Partho here. I'm the CEO of EzeRx. Next slide, please. So, delayed detection of anemia, liver and the lungs problem resulting in loss of more than 1 lakh's lives in every year. Next slide. In India, next slide, please. In India, 2 out of 3 women are anemic, and 1 million people every year getting the liver problems. Also, 23% of the death directly linked with the oxygen saturation. So we are focusing on 3 parameters here. One is the hemoglobin, second one is bilirubin, and third one is the oxygen saturation. Next slide, please. Also for the neonatal, we are losing 200 children in every hour, not in year. And 40% of the death are directly linked with anemia, jaundice, and oxygen need. This 40% death can be preventable with timely monitoring and intervening. Please enter. Please press back, please. To getting blood samples from the neonatal is very, very difficult. Next slide, please. We have a non-invasive, non-contact portable device which can detect anemia, predict liver and lungs problem within less than 5 seconds and without taking a single drop of blood from the human body. Just touch this light into the ring finger and generating the value of hemoglobin, bilirubin and oxygen saturation within less than 5 seconds. Next slide, please. So the workflow is pretty simple. Just connect mobile app to the device and then getting patient details, and immediately we can send the light into the ring finger and the result will come into the mobile display. This data can be transferred using our IoT platform through the WhatsApp, through any of the messaging services, and also we can see the dashboard for a particular client like a hospital or a government scheme. Next slide, please. So the device have many unique selling proposition. One is it's non-invasive, so it's a painless and infection-free process. It's an affordable and accessible solution. It's a IoT based, so we can send a rural patient data to a city-based hospital for a quick treatment plan. And this device can be operated by without any pathological or medical background professionals. Next slide, please. We had done till date 5,470 tests. The major socio-economic impact we created, we saved more than 55 liter blood, we saved more than 10 lakhs rupees cost, and importantly, more than 2,000 man days we saved. Next slide, please. Using the same hardware, we are trying to incorporate the other parameter in future. Also, in our company, we have another product in the biotech part. The product name is EzeRx, ozonated omega-9. It's an antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral solution, which is effective for the dental and the skin applications. Dental applications like oral ulcer, gum disease, then white lesions, gum infections, and the skin application like the wrinkles, the baby diapers, and all kind of eczemas and the dry skins. Next slide, please. And this product is more than a sanitizer. This is an organic product. It's have more than 27 organic alcohol and organic steroid. It's an oil platform or oil form. So just taking 2 drops of the oil in hand and rub it, and it can sustain for next 2 to 3 hours. Interestingly, we are not selling as a sanitizer, but it have more than an alcohol, suppose declared by WHO in a sanitizer. So last months or last 10-15 days, our sales is very high, and now we are thinking to make the product more effective and more different branding kind of aspect. So as a company, we have 2 products. One is EasyCheck from a medtech side and EzeRx from the biotech side. From a medtech side, the product we want to build a hardware platform. Now we have 3 parameters like hemoglobin, bilirubin, and the oxygen saturation. But in future, we are trying to include other parameters so people can check in a non-invasive way and very cost-effective way. And in terms of the biotech vertical, we already built a we are doing non-thermal plasma infusing to the omega-9 oil, and in future we are diversifying this product into various applications like sanitizing, like skin applications, and like dental applications. Next slide, please. So in last 1 year, 5 months journey, we received many awards, importantly Tata Social Enterprise Social Challenge, and recently we received Infosys Gold Award. Next slide, please. This is my team. We have IT background people, we have biotech engineers, we have electronics engineers, and we have renowned advisors in our board. Dr. Mrityunjay sir from KIT-TBI, he is our technology advisor. Dr. Surajit Bose, our medical advisor, and Mr. Kollankar as a financial advisor. Next slide, please. We are funded by DBT BIRAC, we are funded by NRDC, Vilgro, and Indian Oil, and we are connected with some renowned organizations like SN Bose, University of Dundee, and TIFAC. Thank you so much.